For look 2, we had our good friend Jenna come in. For this one, it's still technically considered traditional hybrid. The only difference is that we used our crystallized fans instead of handmade fans. For this look, we did a cat eye mapping. She wanted her eyes to look a little more elongated, so that's what we created with the cat eye. And then a little bit of a shorter length on her as well, because she didn't want them to be too long.
Crystalized fans are awesome. They blend super well with handmade fans, and what's great about them is they're a lot quicker when it comes to lashing, which is awesome for a client who's on the run or who doesn't have time to lay on your bed for a long time. This increases your speed, but still allows you the artistry.